Hello everyone, this is a rivet nut installer, and most people never even heard of what rivet nuts are. Basically, rivet nuts are rivets, and they come in various sizes for various threads, and they have a built-in thread on the inside. So let's say you want to put a 5mm screw into sheet metal to hold a reflector or something. This is the tool you need. This tool comes with different adapters for different threads. So this happens to be for the 5mm. So this part screws into the tool, and this is your thread that will attach to your rivet. So let me change the camera angles, and I'll show you how I install one of these into sheet metal. First thing you do is you take the nose of your tool off and you insert the correct get my brain to work. So this only threads into the nose of the tool. You put the coupler over the top. And you put a nut to hold it all together. You don't got to tighten this or anything. It works fine. And as you work this thing, as you pull it out, as you pull it in, it sucks in the ram. Now the rivet I'm going to use, I'm going to make sure it threads into this screw, which it does. Okay, so I know I have the right rivet and the right screw together. You take the rivet tool, you thread it into the bottom of this until it bottoms out. Take your tool, take your rivet and screw combination, slide it into the hole. Press on it so the head of the rivet locks into the sheet metal, and then you close this. Now you unscrew this thing. Here's a close-up of the rivet that I just installed in the sheet metal. If I take my screw, my little M5 screw, it threads right in. So now you have machine screws and sheet metal. And that's strong. That's not going to come apart easy. Well, thank you for watching.